Today I'm going to share with you an amazing, yet easy and free method to get content for yourselves that you can repost on your accounts without facing any copyright issues. This is an example of a video I didn't create, but I reused and modified slightly to look like this.
Why not like this? Oh my gosh, time dropped the brake. Hey, I'm trash. You sipped on the camera too hard. The road was blocked for a long time.
Do you want to know where to find videos in any niche you want, and how to download and edit them using completely free tools to get the same result we just saw together? Let's start with the practical explanation, and stay with me step by step to learn the complete method. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's begin. The first step we need to take is to get content in the niche we want. For this, I'll introduce you to a new website and app called Kuaishou. It's very similar to TikTok, but is only popular in China, so we'll see that all the content is in Chinese. Since we don't understand Chinese, I recommend using Google Chrome for ease of use. We'll open Google Chrome and type Kuaishou app in the Google search bar. Click on the Chinese website, and you'll immediately see random videos that we can browse without logging in. At the top of the screen, click on the translate icon and translate the site to the language you want to understand the site's content. Now, go to Google Translate and choose to translate from English to Chinese. Type in the topic you want to search for. I'll choose, for example, entertaining videos. Copy the Chinese translation and paste it into the search bar on the Chinese website. This will show you all the videos related to the topic you've chosen. Start looking through the results that appear. When you find a video you want, play it and simultaneously record it using any free screen recording tool. I'll use Streamlabs for example. When the video ends, stop the recording and in the same editor, cut the video to the length you want. Now let's move to the second stage, dubbing. I recommend dubbing into English for wider reach and faster monetization potential. For this stage, I'll use the famous 11 Labs website to convert text to professional audio. After registering on the site, go to the left side of the screen and click on Dubbing Studio. On this screen, you need to specify the language of the video you're uploading, which in our case is Chinese. In the second box, specify the language you want to dub into, which is English. Finally, upload the video you prepared and click Create. Wait for the site to process and dub the video as requested. Once it's done, I'll test the video to see the result I got.
Haha, laughing. Why not like this? Oh my gosh, time dropped the brake. Hey, I'm trash. You sipped on the camera too hard. The road was blocked for a long time. If we say it's humans. Yeah.
As we saw, the dubbing is very professional, and now I have my own video in English. We have one last step, replacing the Chinese text overlay in the video with English. After downloading the dubbed video, I'll upload it to my CapCut account. I'll click on text and then auto captions, choosing English to generate English captions on the video. Now I'll edit the captions style to give them a background in any color you want to cover the Chinese writing. Adjust all the captions for the rest of the scenes. And now I have an English video of my own without having filmed anything myself, which I can reuse in any format I want. I hope I've given you a valuable idea today, and I hope you can use it to create content for your channels. That's all for now. To conclude, I'd like to ask everyone who hasn't subscribed to the channel yet to subscribe if you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.